Before, after. For about $20 in lights, you can make your video shine. You probably already know that having lights can really change the way you look on camera or what you're shooting. These lights here, without them, it looks okay, it's not great. But when I add just that touch of lights, there's one over there and one over there, it really changes it all up. The point I wanted to make with this short video is that you don't have to spend a ton of money to do these accent lights. I think these are maybe $5 or $10 a piece, and then they have some little bulbs in them. They're maybe, I'm not even sure how much they cost, $3, $4. I'll put links in the video below so you can see exactly what I got and how much it cost. When it comes to making videos, I love having options. You could pay $100 or $200 or more just for a license to go get music for your videos. But check this out. Audiio is offering for a limited time their music that normally costs $199 for $59. Let me say that again. Yearly membership for $59. That means you can use all their music in all your videos, all your films, anywhere, fully licensed for $59. There's a link below in the description, but you're going to have to act fast before this deal goes away. You just set them up, move them around, check it out, see how you look, make sure things aren't, shining or reflecting around like that. And for the very cheap, I'd say $20, $30 at the most, you can make the videos that you make and yourself look way better on screen. So your viewers don't have to watch that. They can watch that. Now they may not even notice it, and that's the whole point. I have links to these lights and a bunch of others down in the video description below. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Lights can make all the difference in the world if you turn the darn things on.